Listen, you do not need to pay a credit repair specialist thousands of dollars to fix your credit. I'm about to give you a strategy on how to get almost anything deleted off of your credit report step by step. And another thing, I get on calls with people, and a lot of the people that you are hiring to fix your credit are not educating you on things. The credit bureaus are regulated by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. That is the FCRA. And the FCRA, by law, has to report things on your credit report that are verifiable and 100% accurate. It's the law. So if you're somebody who can't necessarily afford credit repair or you've had some sort of bad experience, I got you. So what you're going to do is challenge the account under the law and get the credit bureaus, force them to prove it. This includes those annoying third-party debt collectors, charge-offs, reinsertions. If you ever have you ever had something deleted on your credit report but it came back? There's a law for that called the reinsertion law. Look it up. This includes bankruptcies. We've got inquiries removed, anything, okay? So let me get ready to show you what you're gonna do. Okay, so of course you're gonna go to our handy dandy ChatGPT. You guessed it, you're gonna hit this plus sign right here, and you're gonna go add you some photos. All right, you're going to go take a screenshot of that stubborn account that you are trying to get rid of off of your credit report. All right, whatever that might be, don't overthink this. Just upload a picture of that particular account. Do not do your whole credit report because you do not want to overwhelm ChatGPT because it will make mistakes. Okay. All right, so after you have uploaded that stubborn account that you're trying to get rid of, what you're going to do is you're going to say, I need you to pretend to be my consumer law attorney and point out any FCRA violations that you see on this particular account. All right. I am trying to buy a house and this is negatively impacting me for moving forward. Okay. Whatever it is that you're trying to do, you could be trying to buy a new car. You could be trying to move up at your mama house. I don't know. Put whatever it is that you're going through. So you're going to hit enter and we're going to let ChatGPT do its thing. All right, bureaus, and it has all three bureaus. All right, and then guys, if you want a picture of if you want a credit report on all three and you want to see it all at one time, what you can do is you can join my free score now using a $1 free trial. If you want to know how to do that, just come in and let me know. All right, so yeah, this is just basically pointing out all the FCRA violations. There's one. See that law right there? See that law? There's another law. There's another one. It's five of them. All right. And then they're going to tell you what to do in a dispute. And then, of course, you can use this type of language right here if you want to do an online dispute. But I would prefer you to send a letter certified with a return receipt. That way you can kind of keep a legal case of everything, build a case against them. Just in case one day you never know, you might have to sue them, right? So I've used this exact strategy to help people, coach people on how to go from the 500s to the 700s. We've gotten repos off, we've gotten charge offs, collections, and even inquiries, honey. Okay. So, and it's not because I'm anybody special, it's because the law is on your side, the person that's on the other side of this video. And if you need social proof, here it is. Okay. Here's a stubborn Capital One account that I got deleted. As you can see, that was on September the 19th, 2025. It was a couple days ago. You know, this was a Capital One account that I got deleted and it got reinserted. All I did was go into ChatGPT and I used that hack and it worked. All right. So make sure you save this post for later and come back and tell me how it worked for you.